Hey guys, it's Chicken Burst here. Chicken Burst here, and I found, look what came in the mail today. I'm so excited. I literally waited so long for this. I'm so excited. It's a squishy, if you didn't know. I got it off eBay. I'll be right back. Need scissors. It's not de-infected or anything like that. Defected. It's not affected at all. I got it. Wait, where's the face? Whatever. I don't remember having the face on it, but look! It's so squishy. It's, well, not that squishy, but... So, if you didn't know, on my other channel, it was Morsky, my vlog channel, I guess, I told you a story. Oh, by the way, my vlog channel won't be on anymore, mostly because my phone broke because of my idiot brother, and now I'm just going to be recording on this channel. So I told the story about my peach, about this, and how long it would take, and I'm so excited! Like, I felt this in the mail, and I thought it was like drugs or something. I thought this would have had a face, but whatever, I don't care. It's so cool. And I'll be, like I said, I'll be recording on this for now. It seems to have come with a keychain. Be right back. Look how old this is, though. Like, there's a little chain to hold it from, and like, wow, so excited. And if there was a My Little Pony video on this, I'm very sorry. My little sister was playing around with my tablet earlier, and she uploaded that dumb video of her playing with her ponies. I know that sounds like me because she was literally forcing me to do it. Like, my little sister was forcing me to say all the words and play with them, and she was literally like, I'm gonna make a TV show, and I'm like, okay. And then she just went on my YouTube channel and started uploading that video, which I'm really upset about, and I'll probably like get rid of it, don't worry. But look at it. It's not that squishy, but I don't care, it feels so cool. It's not infected at all, I think. Can't really tell. It's kind of infected. Super fast rising. It's kind of squishy, but you know what I mean. Oh, and also big shout out to Noelle. Her channel will be in the link in the description below. She is my best friend. She collects squishies too. She does squishy reviews too. So, yeah. And I'll be telling you stories about this more often. So, bye guys. Yeah. What? I don't speak Korean.